Hello foodies, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a delicious and crispy treat for you. Our mouth-watering chicken garlic fry. It's a perfect combination of succulent chicken and aromatic garlic. Let's dive right into the recipe. First, let's blend some shallots with garlic and a piece of ginger. Add some water and make it into a fine paste and add this into boneless chicken pieces. Mix it really well with the chicken. Instead of boneless chicken pieces, you can also take chicken wings. Into that, add some salt, pepper, garam masala, cumin powder, red chilli powder, turmeric powder, all-purpose flour and some cornstarch. Mix everything really well and keep it aside for 10 to 15 minutes or keep it overnight in the refrigerator. Next, heat a pan with vegetable oil over medium-high heat. Once the oil is hot, carefully place the coated chicken pieces into the pan. Fry them until they're golden brown and crispy, usually about 3 to 4 minutes per side. Just before taking it from the oil, add some crushed garlic into the oil and fry for 1 to 2 minutes. This will really enhance the garlic flavor in the chicken fry. And there you have it, our crispy chicken garlic fry is ready to be served. You can pair this chicken fry with some coriander mint curd chutney. It's really delicious. I hope you give this recipe a try. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!